Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I've got a bunch of red potato plants here. They're off to a good start. It's a fairly decent day here on February 17th, 18th. 50 degrees. We've had about 4 days of rain. We got another 3 or 4 days coming, but right now it's 50 degrees, not too bad. So I think I'm late getting my potatoes in. These are red Norwich, which are supposed to do well here in the northeast Atlanta Zone 7 area. So I'm going to get these planted. I got 4 nice big tubs, and I got 8 potatoes. So I'm going to put two in each tub. That's all there is to that. The soil's already been loosened up real good. Give it a nice organic fertilizer to get it enriched. Got the potatoes down a couple of inches, and each of the containers has some space left to put some fill-in dirt as the plants grow. So hopefully this will get my red Norwich potatoes off to a good start. Thank you for watching.